Hello again, my brilliant learners. It's always a joy to see you here, ready to learn another English word. Today's word is simple, friendly, and something you probably use in everyday life, or even eat. Today, we're going to learn the word bunch. So, what does bunch mean? A bunch means a group of things that are close together. It's often used to talk about fruit, flowers, or even people and ideas. It's a casual, friendly word that makes English sound more natural and relaxed. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word bunch. I bought a bunch of bananas from the market. She gave me a bunch of flowers for my birthday. A bunch of kids were playing in the park. He has a bunch of old books in his attic. Thanks a bunch for helping me move. All right, now it is time for a short story. Just 10 sentences to help you remember bunch in context. Yesterday, I went to visit my grandmother. On the way, I stopped at a shop and bought a bunch of tulips. She loves flowers, and her face lit up when she saw them. We sat in her garden, drinking tea and talking about old times. A bunch of birds landed near us, singing loudly in the trees. Then a bunch of clouds covered the sun, and it got chilly. We laughed and went inside, carrying the flowers with us. She placed them in a vase and smiled. It's the little things, a bunch of love, a bunch of memories, she said. And I couldn't agree more. So, that's the word bunch, a warm, easy word for groups of things that come together. Use it when talking about flowers, friends, or fun. See you next time for another great word. Take care and keep learning.